Welcome back everyone, it is 2020 and this is the Ryobi digital catalog. Let's take a look. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Before we get too far, just want to clarify, not all of these tools are exclusively new for the 2020 season, but these are some of the hot tools we think you should know about in 2020. Let's go ahead and just dive right in here. This is the Ryobi digital catalog. First up is the stick vacuum kit. Now this is the upgraded, new and improved P7181K, which includes a battery and wall mount adapter, which has the charger in it. So they've improved this vacuum in a whole bunch of new ways. And if you've seen our previous video on the previous model, many of the complaints we had, it looks like they've improved upon. So first off, they've increased the size of the roller wheel to 9 inches, added 3 LEDs at the bottom, and they've also added a high-low switch to control the roller wheel independently. Another complaint or improvement that they've made with this version is the roller brush is removable so you can clean it. So you don't need any tools. It's got a little lock-unlock on the side. That's really cool. They've also, since the one we had initially, have improved the filters. My understanding they've actually improved them a couple times, so that's really cool. Next up are their combo kits, and we won't go into detail on any of these. Most of these are pretty standard or pretty familiar if you're familiar with the Ryobi combo kits, but definitely recommend for anyone that's getting started to take a look at some of their combo kits. You definitely get a lot more for your money if you buy it in a kit. Alright, next up are some new tools. First is the PVC and PEX Cutter. Comes in at $99. This is the P593. Then we have the bandsaw P590 at $129. That is going to be awesome. Tons of people asking for that one. The grease gun P3410. Another highly requested tool. Then there is the hybrid surface dryer. This is the P3330. Comes in at $50. Not sure that it was highly requested, but definitely one we'd like to try out. Then there is the portable power source. This is the P743. This is new to the United States, but our friends overseas have seen this one before, so excited to get this one. USB power source. Then there's the dual function inflator deflator, and this is to replace their previous version, which this new version is a lot more compact and appears to have upgraded parts and pieces. So excited to try this one out as well, coming in at just under $50. And that's it guys for their catalog, but there are a few new 40 volt tools, the outdoor power line that we want to take a look at. One of the first ones is the new 40 volt brushless 625 CFM backpack blower that comes with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. Then there's the new 40 volt 21-inch brushless self-propelled mower that comes with a 7.5 amp hour battery and charger. There's also the new 40 volt 20-inch brushless snow blower with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries and a charger. And the new 40 volt 16-inch brushless chainsaw with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. Ending with the biggest and best here, we have the 100 amp 42-inch zero-turn electric riding lawnmower at just over $4,000. Features include 4 brushless motors, 42-inch steel deck, 4-position seat adjustment, USB charger, LED lights, and of course, cup holders. And yes, this is fully electric, requires no spark plugs, belts, filters, oil, or gas. So everyone, let us know in the comments below which tool you're most excited for, and let us know which tool you'd like us to try out on this channel. Obviously, we want to get our hands on all of these and hope to have videos for you soon. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified when our videos go live. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.